Tesla vehicles are often described as electric cars, but in reality, they are far more than that. A Tesla is a software-driven machine, constantly evolving through updates, hidden settings, and intelligent systems that many owners never fully explore. Most drivers use only a small percentage of what their Tesla is actually capable of, often without realizing how much technology is working quietly in the background every single day. This video is designed to uncover that hidden layer, revealing Tesla's secret tech and explaining how it truly changes the driving experience. Before we dive in, if you enjoy discovering hidden features, advanced car technology, and smart systems that most owners never use, make sure to subscribe to the channel. New videos like this are released regularly, and subscribing ensures you never miss the next deep dive into modern automotive tech. One of the most overlooked aspects of Tesla ownership is how deeply customizable the car really is. From the moment you enter the vehicle, Tesla begins adapting to you. Driver profiles go far beyond seat and mirror positions. Each profile stores steering preferences, braking behavior, climate habits, driving modes, and even how the infotainment system behaves. Many owners never realize that switching profiles can instantly change the entire personality of the car, making Tesla feel like multiple vehicles in one. The central touchscreen is the brain of the Tesla, yet most drivers interact with only its most obvious functions. Hidden within the menus are advanced driving settings that influence how the car accelerates, regenerates energy, and responds to throttle input. Regenerative braking, for example, is not just about efficiency. It fundamentally changes how the car slows down, allowing experienced drivers to control speed almost entirely with the accelerator pedal. When properly understood, this feature reduces brake wear, improves energy recovery, and creates a smoother driving flow. Tesla's navigation system is another area where hidden intelligence shines. Unlike traditional GPS systems, Tesla navigation constantly communicates with the vehicle's battery management system. It calculates routes not just based on distance or traffic, but also on elevation changes, temperature, driving style, and real-time energy consumption. When you enter a destination, the car is already planning how to manage battery usage efficiently, including when and how long to charge if needed. Many owners trust the navigation blindly without realizing how advanced its calculations truly are. Autopilot is often misunderstood as a single feature, but in reality, it is a collection of interconnected systems working together. Even without full self-driving enabled, Tesla vehicles constantly use cameras, radar data, and neural networks to enhance safety. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and forward collision warnings are always active in the background. These systems continuously learn from billions of miles driven by Tesla vehicles worldwide, making them more refined over time through software updates. A lesser-known aspect of Autopilot is how it adapts to driver behavior. Tesla monitors steering input, speed adjustments, and braking patterns to fine-tune assistance systems. Over time, the car becomes better at predicting how you drive, resulting in smoother interventions and more natural responses. This adaptive behavior is subtle, but it plays a major role in reducing driver fatigue, especially on long highway journeys. Climate control in Tesla vehicles goes far beyond simple temperature adjustment. The system uses sensors to measure cabin humidity, sunlight intensity, and even air quality outside the vehicle. Features like cabin overheat protection prevent the interior from reaching extreme temperatures when parked, protecting both passengers and interior materials. Bioweapon defense mode, available on certain models, uses advanced filtration to remove pollutants and harmful particles, creating a sealed and purified cabin environment. Many owners activate these features once and forget about them, unaware of how much they contribute to daily comfort. Tesla's phone integration is another powerful yet underutilized area. Your smartphone is not just a key. It is part of the vehicle's security and personalization system. Proximity detection allows the car to unlock automatically, adjust settings, and prepare the cabin before you even sit down. Remote functions enable climate preconditioning, charging control, and real-time vehicle monitoring from anywhere. These features are especially valuable in extreme weather conditions, yet many drivers barely scratch the surface of what the Tesla app can do. Charging behavior itself hides a surprising amount of intelligence. Tesla vehicles actively manage battery temperature before charging, especially when navigating to a supercharger. This process, known as battery preconditioning, ensures faster and more efficient charging by bringing the battery to its optimal temperature. Drivers may notice increased energy usage before arrival, not realizing that the car is preparing itself to save time at the charger. This invisible preparation is one of Tesla's most impressive behind-the-scenes technologies. Driving modes also influence more than just performance. Acceleration settings affect throttle sensitivity, while steering modes adjust weight and feedback. What many owners don't realize is that these settings can significantly change how stable and comfortable the car feels in different conditions. A softer steering mode may reduce fatigue in city driving, while a more responsive setup enhances control on winding roads. Tesla allows these adjustments to be changed instantly, yet most drivers stick with default settings indefinitely. Tesla's security features are another hidden strength. Sentry Mode transforms the car into a mobile surveillance system, using external cameras to monitor surroundings while parked. Any suspicious activity triggers recording and alerts, providing valuable evidence if needed. Beyond theft prevention, this feature also acts as a psychological deterrent, as visible warnings often discourage unwanted behavior before it happens. Software updates are perhaps the most unique aspect of Tesla ownership. Unlike traditional vehicles that remain largely unchanged after purchase, Tesla cars evolve over time. Updates can improve acceleration, extend range, enhance autopilot behavior, refine the interface, and introduce entirely new features. Some owners wake up to a car that performs better than it did the day before, without visiting a service center. This continuous improvement model means that owning a Tesla is an ongoing experience rather than a fixed product. As we reach the final part of this video, here are a few lesser-known Tesla curiosities that even longtime owners often miss. Tesla vehicles include Easter eggs hidden within the interface, ranging from playful animations to themed driving visualizations. These features don't affect performance, but they reveal the human side of Tesla's engineering culture. Additionally, Tesla's energy graph can be used as a powerful learning tool, helping drivers understand exactly how speed, terrain, and climate impact consumption. Another rarely discussed feature is how Tesla manages sleep mode to preserve battery health. When parked for extended periods, the vehicle intelligently balances system shutdowns and background monitoring to minimize energy loss. This allows Teslas to remain connected while avoiding unnecessary drain, a critical feature for long-term ownership. Tesla's secret tech is not about gimmicks or flashy tricks. It is about intelligent systems working quietly to make driving safer, easier, and more efficient. The true power of Tesla lies in how all these features connect into a seamless experience that improves over time. Many owners never fully unlock this potential, not because it is hidden, but because it is never properly explained. Understanding these systems transforms the way you interact with your car. Instead of simply driving from point A to point B, you begin to see Tesla as an intelligent partner, constantly adapting, learning, and improving alongside you. And that is what truly sets Tesla apart in the modern automotive world.